Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to the last lesson for this week, ordering and comparing natural numbers. في الليسن ده هنتكلم على حاجتين. أول حاجة how to represent natural numbers on the number line. Okay, so he is going to give us some sets and we want to represent it on the number line. For example, here we have set x which is a finite set. If you remember finite set يعني احنا عارفين كل ال elements اللي جواها. Set x here has the elements 1 2 3 5. يبقى أول حاجة قلنا you draw a straight line, then you put the numbers with the ruler, you keep distance, equal distance between the numbers, then you make like highlight the numbers in the set أو بنعمل circle فوق كل numbers زي مين ال 1 وال 2 وال 3 وال 5. يبقى مش هاخد ولا الزيرو ولا ال 4 ولا ال 6، يبقى هعمل بس circle على النمبرز اللي موجودة في الست. طيب عندي كمان set of natural numbers between 1 and 4. طيب first we write it in listing method، يعني نكتبها كده between braces. in numbers between 1 and 4 it's 2 and 3. So now we represent it on the number line, so we just make a circle around 2 and around 3. And here we want to put a set of odd numbers on the number line. Now here there is a problem because the set of odd numbers is actually an infinite set. احنا ما نقدرش نعرف كل اللي جواها. انا عندي ال 1 وال 3 وال 5 وال 7 وال 9 وال 11 وكل دول infinite. We don't know what is the greatest odd number. فايه اللي بيحصل؟ عادي بترسمي النمبر لاين وبنعمل circle على كل odd number موجود، بس عشان افهمه انها infinite set بعمل الارو اللي في الاخر ده. تمام؟ ممكن نعمل connect كده لل1 مع 3 مع ال5، او نعمل الارو دوت من اول ال5. اوكي، يبقى الارو ده معناه ايه تاني؟ انها infinite set. طيب تاني حاجة معانا في اللسن ordering and comparing natural numbers. ordering اللي هو arrange comparing to see which is greater. طيب بيقول لي في رول مهمة جدا on the number line A is less than B, A smaller than B when if B on the right of A. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني ادي النمبر لاين بتاعي. طبعا the smallest natural number أو the smallest number we know is 0، يبقى you have to put it here on the left. يبقى ده معناه إن ال smaller side هي ال left side، ال smaller side هي ال left side. يبقى أكيد الناحية التانية هي ال bigger، يبقى أي حاجة to the right هي ال bigger than أي حاجة to the left. فهو دلوقتي بيقول لي A less than B، فأنا هبدأ أحط A وقال لي حطي B to the right of A في أي حتة. المهم انا معرفش هي مين البي ولا equal how much، هو قال لي انها to the right of A، فممكن احطها اي حته بس بشرط انها تكون to the right، يعني ما تكونش ناحيه الزيرو. تمام؟ فزي ما احنا شايفين كده ان البي هي اللي من ناحيه البيجر والاي هي اللي من ناحيه السمولر، يبقى ده معناه ان البي is bigger than A because B is to the right of A. يبقى اللي على اليمين دايما اكبر من اللي على الشمال. Okay, from your school book a practice. If the following natural numbers ال A will be with C, D and ال E دول natural numbers بس احنا ما نعرفش how much they are represented on the number line اللي هو دوت. تمام؟ يبقى these are numbers بس we don't know each of them equal how much، مخبيينهم. تمام؟ طيب وهنلعب لعبة دلوقتي. he wants to see which is bigger than which. we don't know, we're not going to compare letters، بس احنا هنعرف منين؟ احنا قلنا اي حاجة to the right bigger than اللي على on the left. طيب فأول question عندي I'm comparing between A and B. نلاحظ كده where is B؟ this is B. B is the first number to the left which means yes smallest, it's the smallest among them all, while D is the greatest. يبقى here I have in my question A and B. A is to the right of B, so A is bigger. Again, B compared to E, we said E is the smallest, and E is to the right of B as you can see, so E is bigger. C compared to E, E is to the right of C, so E is bigger. E compared to B, which is bigger? Which one is to the right? E is to the right of B, so E is bigger. And A compared to D, which one to the right? D is the one to the right, so D is bigger. And C compared to D, again D is to the right of C, so D is bigger. For the same question and for the same number line, he wants you to write them in ascending order. And of course, you know, ascending means from the smallest till the greatest. So we take from the left side to the right side as they are. B, C, A, E, then D. Now write the following sets using the listing method. الكويستشن اللي جاي ده practice علشان هيجيلنا الset مش في شكل listing method إنما description. Okay, so you have to write it as listing method, then you can make as a practice for yourself to represent it on the number line as homework or something. So here we have a set called X. Okay, inside of X we're going to find the element A, and A belongs to N. It means it's a natural number. Now my condition, this is the important part here, to read this carefully and correctly. A bigger than 5. So the sign is opening to A. So it's read from the left, A bigger than 5. So what are the natural numbers bigger than 5? It's 6, 7, 8, infinitely. So this is an infinite set. يبقى ناخد بالنا واحنا بنعمل لها representation on the number line بيكون في arrow في الآخر. Set Y is the set of what? Any number called A. بس ال A دي natural number. طيب where ال A؟ ايه الفرق ما بين الكويستشن ده والكويستشن اللي فات؟ تحسي ان هو شبهه بالظبط. تمام؟ بس بصي كده على inequality دي والinequality دي. هنا في داش دي معناها A bigger than or equal to 5. يعني ايه الفرق ما بين السولوشن اللي فات او الحل اللي فات والحل دوت؟ اني ال5 المره دي معايا، يبقى I will start with 5 not 6. يبقى 5 6 7 8 infinitely, also an infinite set. Now here set Z also contains some elements A, which are natural numbers, and A is what? Less than 5. So A smaller than 5. It's important to learn how to read the sign. It's opening its mouth as junior 1. Add the 5. So A is smaller than 5. Now smaller than 5 in the natural, it will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Can I stop at 1? No, because natural also has 0. Again, the same question in D and C. However, we have a dash under the inequality. A less than or equal to 5. يبقى الاختلاف ما بين الانسر دي والانسر اللي فاتت ان هيكون معايا ال5 كمان. In question E, now look at the inequality here. This is the important part. This is how we get the solution. A is between 2 and 6. A is bigger than 2, less than 6. يعني between 2A و 6. يبقى what are the whole number or the natural numbers between 2 and 6? You can find 3, 4, 5. Now it's the same question as the previous, بس هنلاحظ ان في ايه؟ في dash تحت ال inequality sign معناها A is bigger than or equal to the number 2 and A is smaller than or equal to the number 6. أو ممكن أقول إن ال A between ال 2 وال 6 وكمان ال 2 وال 6 معايا. يعني هيفرق في إيه عن الأنسر اللي فاتت؟ The same answer but you're going to add 2 and 6. Now it looks the same but the dash من أنهي ناحية؟ Yes, from the 6 side. ده معناه إن ال A doesn't equal 2. It's bigger than 2. And smaller than 6 or equal to 6. معناها إن 6 معايا. We're going to start after 2. So up till 6 because we have a dash here under the inequality sign. Question H, the final inequality here. It's also A between 2 and 6, but we have an equal sign next to the 2, which means we're going to start with the 2. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, but we're not going to write 6 because we don't have an equal sign next to it. Another practice for the number line, the set of natural numbers less than 4. What are the natural numbers less than 4? We have 3, 2, 1, and don't forget about the 0, okay? And this is how we represent it. ممكن نعمل matching كده ما بينهم زي البلاك line ده أو you just highlight them 0, 1, 2, 3. And set of natural numbers, can you read this? It's called X bigger than or equal to 4. and x belong to n. Okay, it's x bigger than or equal to 4. So let's write it in listing method first. It's starting with the number, yes, 4, and then we're growing bigger. The numbers are growing bigger, so 4, 5, 6, 7, infinitely, because it's an infinite set. And this is how you represent it on the number line. Again, you start with the 4, but you don't stop at 9 or any other number. You keep going, so you draw an arrow here to know that it's an infinite set. You can practice by solving schoolbook page 9, question number 1, and question 2, also question number 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood the 3 lessons, and try to solve this before you come to school so we can check them together and discuss them together if you have any questions about them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.